Tom here, LegacyToolworks. Today, I'm gonna make myself a keyring knife. The previous project was so good and I wanted my own one so bad that I'm gonna make myself one. Boy, I wish I kept it. Anyway, so I'm gonna do that kukri looking design right there. That one just there. It's the same grade 304 stainless steel, 304B I think. It's like alloy stuff. Anyway, it's good, it's strong, and it's easily malleable, so I like it. Without further ado, let's crack into it. Woo! Safety gear. You'll love this one. Happy New Year! This was a gift from a particular colleague of mine. Let's just say you know who you are. Well, if you can't take the mickey out of yourself, there's something wrong with you, so here goes. Oh yes, can you feel it? Oh, lovely. Oh, liking them lopsided ears, they're great. Mate, that's fantastic. Ha party time! Let's get into it. All right. Chuck her in. All right. Hey, there it goes. Oh boy. And there she goes. She's still pretty hot, so hey, it's gotta look great. Next step. Still got a bit of heat. That's hot, ouch. File time. See that curve? Down there. Oh, that's a bit warm. Just down there. Right there. Here we go. Next stage. All right. All right, so far that's the shape. Lovely little thing. Yep. File time. Woo! There she is. That's it. Yeah, so got a small little kukri, eh? Chop, chop, chop. No. Smallest round file I could find. Let's go. This is a tiny knife. Don't! Broke my drill bit. That'll do. What was that? It got stuck. Damn it! Here we go, got it. It's free! Oh, yep, she's still hot. Really hot. Wow. Alright, sanding time. this up a bit. Done. Alright, so this is what we got. A nice little Kukri Keyring. Here we go. Wonderful, isn't she? Whoop. Alright, now, keyring time. Da, 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 da. Lick, lick, lick. Bing! There she goes. That is a Kukri Keyring if ever I saw one. Marvellous. Oop. I am happy with that. Alright, that one's mine. Until next time, keep creating and I'll see you in the next episode. Ciao for now. No. I'm gonna start again. Woo! Chop, 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 chop. Ah! Too tight. Man, why did I have to tie that up so tight? Come on, here we go. Tilt, up, down, up, yep, okay, here we go.